Achieving ISO 27001 certification is a significant milestone for any organization that prioritizes information security. Today, we'll take the entire process. From preparation to continuous improvement, let's explore how ISO 27001 certification can enhance your company's credibility and protect your business from ever-evolving cyber threats. Before diving into the ISO 27001 certification process, it's important to understand one of its core elements, the Information Security Management System. Think of ISMS as the framework that helps organizations protect their sensitive data and manage risks. It's not just about having the latest technology, it's about putting the right processes, policies, and controls in place to safeguard information. Now that we've covered the basics of an ISMS and its importance, let's shift our focus to the actual steps involved in becoming ISO 27001 certified. The first step in your ISO 27001 journey is preparation. This involves a comprehensive understanding of your business's critical assets, its exposure to risks, and the scope of your ISMS. You'll begin by identifying the data and systems that need protection. This involves determining the scope of your ISMS and evaluating the specific risks that could impact your organization. In industries such as finance, healthcare, or e-commerce, securing customer data is paramount, while manufacturing companies might focus on protecting intellectual property and operational systems. Leadership commitment is essential. When top management supports your security objectives, it fosters a culture of security throughout the organization. Effective preparation equips you to implement a robust ISMS that safeguards your organization's valuable information. Second is implementation of ISMS. Implementing ISO 27001 starts with defining the scope of your information security management system, identifying which areas of your business and data will be protected. Next comes a detailed risk assessment, where potential threats and vulnerabilities are analyzed and prioritized. Based on this assessment, specific security policies and controls are established to mitigate these risks, ensuring your organization is prepared to handle potential security breaches. Employee training and raising awareness are essential steps, as every team member must understand their role in maintaining security. Regular internal audits and management reviews help ensure that the system is effective and continuously improving. Documentation of policies, procedures, and controls is also key to maintaining compliance. When ready, an external audit is conducted by a certified body to assess your ISMS for compliance with ISO 27001 standards. Achieving certification not only helps meet regulatory requirements, but also builds trust with clients and partners, demonstrating your commitment to protecting their sensitive information. This process strengthens your company's defense against cyber threats while giving you a competitive advantage in the market. And third is critical step in your ISO 27001 journey is conducting an internal audit. This step acts as a self-check mechanism to ensure that your ISMS is functioning as designed and aligns with the ISO 27001 standard. An internal audit is essentially an in-house examination of your information security processes. It's conducted by a qualified individual or team within your organization, or even an external consultant, to verify that all policies and controls are effectively in place. In industries like financial services, healthcare, and manufacturing, where data protection and regulatory compliance are mission-critical, these audits provide an essential layer of accountability. The audit will involve a thorough review of your ISMS documentation, including your risk assessments, security policies, and incident response plans. The goal is to identify any gaps or non-conformities areas where your system may not fully meet ISO 27001 requirements or where improvements can be made. Fourth is certification audit. The certification audit, an accredited external auditor, will evaluate your systems and processes to verify that they comply with ISO 27001 standards. This certification audit typically occurs in two stages. In sectors such as finance, where safeguarding data is of utmost importance, the first stage focuses on reviewing your documentation, policies, and procedures. In the second stage, the auditor will assess how well these policies are implemented across the business. If your organization passes both stages, you will receive ISO 27001 certification. This certification, recognized globally, enhances your company's reputation and demonstrates your commitment to security, which is a significant competitive advantage in any industry. Fifth is continuous improvement. The final and perhaps most important step in the ISO 27001 journey is continuous improvement. Achieving certification isn't the end. It's the beginning of a long-term commitment to keeping your organization secure in an ever-evolving digital landscape. One of the key components of continuous improvement is conducting regular internal audits and risk assessments. These audits help identify new vulnerabilities and areas where your ISMS can be enhanced. You'll also want to stay informed about changes in industry regulations and evolving best practices in information security. Remember, ISO 27001 certification requires an annual surveillance audit and a recertification audit every 3 years. This ensures that your organization continues to comply with the standard and adapts its security measures to emerging risks. Achieving ISO 27001 certification is more than just about compliance. It's about positioning your organization as a leader in information security and building trust with your customers, partners, and stakeholders. In today's digital landscape, where data breaches can harm both your reputation and bottom line, this certification demonstrates your company's commitment to safeguarding sensitive information. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. By following these steps, you can confidently embark on your journey towards ISO 27001 certification. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.